Looks like a helicopter.
Kinda. Don't move bad air either. A little bit better than your old fan.
Hell yeah, bro.
Beats the old one. So it beats the old one.
Kenny put those lights in that apartment over there.
Yeah.
Like I got over there. I ain't never put one of them up yet. That's one of the new ones.
Well, you gonna put that in the kitchen?
I'm sure it's wired up like the same. I don't know how it mounts yet. Probably the same.
I would imagine it's similar.
That close. I'll do it so you don't have to. LED.
LED. DEL.